Say software testing as a career. Importance of software testing in the IT industry. For software development, some companies use Java, some companies prefer .NET, some companies use PHP, etc. technologies. But software testing is mandatory for every software application, irrespective of the technology. See, importance of software testing in the IT industry, information technology industry. See, for software development, some companies use Java technology, Java. Some companies use .NET technology, some companies .NET technology, some companies prefer PHP, etc. technologies. See, for software development, some companies prefer Java, some companies .NET, some companies PHP, etc. But software testing is mandatory for every software application, irrespective of the technology. See, it is required for all types of software. If it is Java application or .NET application or PHP application or SAP application or Oracle apps or PeopleSoft or Siebel, any software testing is mandatory. Next, important activities in IT industry. Important activities in the IT industry. IT stands for information technology. Industry. See, project management. Next, business analysis. Next, software development. Just a minute. Software development. Here, front-end development and back-end development. Front-end and back-end. Software development. Next, software testing. Software testing. Just a minute. Front end. Software testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing. Another is automated testing. manual testing, automated testing. Next, technical support. See, technical support. Here, network administration, network administration, system administration, system administration. Technical support. Next, DBA, DBA, database administration, database administration. Next, software maintenance, software maintenance, maintenance. See, these are the important activities in the IT industry. Project management, business analysis, software development, front end and back end, software testing, next technical support, DBA, database administration, next software maintenance. Next, come to mainstream. If you want to choose software testing as your career, then you need to familiar with the following concepts. If you want to choose software testing as your career, then you need to familiar with the following concepts. See, if you want to choose software testing, software testing as your career, as your career, then you need to familiar with, you need to familiar with the following concepts, following concepts. See, if you want to choose software testing as your career, then you need to familiar with the following concepts. First one, analytical and communication skills. Analytical and communication skills. Analytical and communication skills. Communication skills. This is general. Next, computer fundamentals. Computer fundamentals. Next, manual testing knowledge. Manual testing knowledge. Next, database knowledge. Database knowledge. See, this database knowledge is essential for database testing. See, essential for database testing. Database testing. Next, programming knowledge. Programming knowledge. Programming knowledge. See, just a minute. Programming knowledge. See, for manual testing, programming knowledge not required. For test automation or automated testing, programming knowledge is mandatory. It is essential for test automation, test automation or automated testing, automated testing. Next, test tools knowledge, test tools, test tools knowledge. Next, one more important thing, domain knowledge, domain knowledge. I will explain each and everything. See, analytical and communication skills, computer fundamentals, manual testing knowledge, database knowledge. It is essential for database testing. Programming knowledge. It is essential for test automation or automated testing. Test tools knowledge. Next, domain knowledge. See, first I am taking analytical and communication skills. See, general. Here, analytical skills, analytical skills. Next, customer communication, customer communication. Communicating with customers, customer communication, communicating with customers. Next, team communication, team communication, communicating with the team members. Next, presentation skills, presentation skills. Next, writing skills, writing skills, or you can say documentation skills, documentation skills. See, these are the important in this analytical and communication. Next, second one, computer fundamentals, computer fundamentals, computer fundamentals. Say, knowledge on computer operating systems. Say, during software testing, we need to operate the computer. We need to operate the computer. See, for that, knowledge on operating systems important. See, knowledge on computer operating systems, computer operating systems. See, here popular operating systems are Microsoft Windows. I think all of you familiar with Microsoft Windows. Next, Unix or Unix flavors like Linux, Solaris, etc. Knowledge, Unix knowledge is an added advantage. Next, Macintosh, etc. Say, knowledge on computer operating systems. During software testing, we need to operate the computer. We need to operate the application under test. Next, nowadays, software is not only for computers, also for mobile devices. Say, computer software. Next, mobile software also there. Mobile software. Oh, especially for exclusively for mobile devices. If you have some knowledge on mobile operating systems, it is an added advantage for mobile testing. It is a mandatory for mobile testing. See, knowledge on mobile operating systems. Mobile operating systems. It is optional. For example, iOS, Android, etc. See, nowadays computer software testing, next mobile software testing also there. If you have knowledge on mobile operating systems, it should be used in mobile testing. It can be used in mobile testing. Next, knowledge on software environments. Knowledge on software environments. Software environments. Suppose standalone applications. Standalone applications. Next, intranet applications, local network, local area network. Next, global network, intranet and extranet. It is also extranet, also private network over internet. Say in another classification, desktop applications, web applications. In web applications, intranet applications and internet applications means private applications and public applications. Next, three-tier applications, n-tier applications, etc. See, knowledge on software environments. See, next one more thing, knowledge on documentation. Knowledge on documentation. See, documentation skills. Documentation skills. See, in our software testing, documentation is very important task. We write test cases. Next, after executing test cases, if we find any deviation from expected, we send defect reports. We write defect reports. We write test cases. Next, we write defect reports. So documentation knowledge is mandatory. See, familiar with MS Office. In this MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel mandatory. Remaining MS PowerPoint, MS Access optional. Next, if you have knowledge on Star Office, same like MS Office. Just a minute. Star Office, same like MS Office. It works on Unix operating environment. MS Office on Windows operating environment. Star Office, Unix operating environment. MS Office mandatory, Star Office optional. See, these are the required computer fundamentals. Knowledge on computer operating systems, knowledge on mobile operating systems, next knowledge on software environments, next documentation skills. Next come to third one, main important one, manual testing knowledge. Manual testing knowledge. This is core. Here What are the important skills? First one, awareness on software project life cycle. Software project life cycle. Software project life cycle. Next, ability to analyze functional and non-functional requirements. Ability to analyze functional and non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements means performance requirements, usability requirements, etc. Next, test levels. See, we have 4 levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Our area as independent testers, our area is system testing. Developers conduct unit testing, integration testing. Next, customers conduct, or customer side people conduct acceptance testing, but need to familiar with those concepts. Levels of testing: unit testing, next integration testing, next system testing, and acceptance testing. See, user acceptance testing is part of or subset of acceptance testing. See, developers conduct unit testing, customers conduct acceptance testing, but independent testers conduct system testing. So our area is system testing. Next, test types. See, basically we have 2 types of testing: functional and non-functional. Functional and non-functional testing. See, performance testing, usability testing, recovery testing, configuration testing, localization testing, internationalization testing, all come under non-functional testing. Okay. Next, test planning. Next, before that, software test process. Under software test process, test planning, knowledge on test planning. Next, test design techniques. See, we have 3 types of test design techniques. One is white box test design techniques, next black box test design techniques, next experience based techniques. Generally, developers use white box test design techniques for conducting unit testing. Independent testers use black box test design techniques for conducting system testing. Here, important black box testing techniques are equivalent or equivalence class partitioning or equivalence partitioning, equivalence partitioning, equivalent partitioning, equivalent classes or equivalence partitioning. Next, boundary value analysis. Next, decision table testing, decision table testing. Next, state transition testing, state transition testing, etc. See, these are the important black box test design techniques. Equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table testing, state transition testing, etc. Next, test design skills. Test design. Here, generate or derive test scenarios from requirements. Derive test scenarios. Next, test case. Test case documentation. Test case documentation. Next, test data collection. Test data collection. These are the important tasks in test design. Next, test execution. Test execution. Here, sanity testing. Next, first test level, smoke testing. Smoke testing, verifying whether the build is acceptable or not by executing basic functionality tests. Verifying whether the build is acceptable or not by executing basic functionality tests. Next, after accepting the software build, comprehensive testing means executing all possible test cases. Next, regression testing. Regression testing. See, parallelly, defect reporting. Defect reporting. Next, defect tracking, etc. See, test execution. Next, maintenance of resources. Maintenance of test resources. Test resources. Next, ability to track changes. Ability to track changes. Ability to track changes. See, these are the important manual testing knowledge, manual testing skills. If you want to choose testing as a career. Next, fourth one, database knowledge. Database knowledge. Database knowledge. It is essential for database testing. Essential for database testing. Database testing. See, database testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing, another is test automation. Manually, you can test databases, or using any test tool like Selenium or UFT, you can test databases. Here, what are the important uh, learning objectives? Database, just a minute. Database objects. Database objects means record. Database record is database object. Database table is database object. See, records, tables, etc. See, knowledge on database objects. What is record, what is table, etc. Next, create new databases. Create new databases. Say, using SQL, structured query language, we can perform the following things: creating new databases. Next, create new tables. New tables in a database. In a database. Next, insert. Insert records. Insert records in a database. Next, update records. Update records. Next, delete. Delete records. Next, retrieve data from a database. Retrieve. Retrieve data. Next, data integrity. Data integrity. Next, data comparisons. Data comparisons. See, comparing two resources, one database data with another database data, or one database data with Excel file data, or comparing front-end data with back-end data, etc. Next, data backup. Data backup and recovery operations. Data backup and recovery operations. Say, using SQL, structured query language. Using SQL commands, we conduct database testing. So you need to familiar with SQL, structured query language. If you're familiar with SQL, then you can perform all these tasks. Next, fifth one, programming knowledge. Fifth one, programming. Programming knowledge. See, for manual testing, no programming knowledge required. For manual testing, no programming knowledge required. For test automation, programming knowledge required. If you want to use Selenium or UFT or RFT or Silk test, any test tool for automation, any test tool for testing, then programming knowledge required. It is essential for test automation. Test automation. Or you can say Automated testing. Automated testing. It's not required for manual testing. Say you take any programming knowledge, any programming language, you take any programming language, C language, C++, Java, or any scripting language, VB script, Perl script, Python script, Ruby script, etc. Skeleton is common. Say programming fundamentals common. Syntax may vary from one language to another. See, you take any programming language, almost all concepts common. Some features may vary from one language to another. For example, in C language, no object, no method concept, but in Java or C++, you can find objects, methods. C is structured programming language. C++ is object-oriented programming language. In C language, no object concept, but in C++ everything is object. Some features may vary from one language to another. Next, syntax may vary from one language to another, but basic structure, purpose of the programming, common. See, what are the common things available in computer programming? See, comments not mandatory. If you write meaningful comments in your programs, then programs can be readable. It is best practice, not mandatory. Next, data types. Data types. See, these fundamentals are common in all programming languages, but syntax may vary from one language to another. Some features may vary from one language to another. For example, in C language, array is one type of variable. In Java, array is object. In Java, methods are there. In C, no methods, but functions are there. Functions are similar to methods. Data types, for example, see in our test automation also, not only test automation, in our testing, we handle data, different types of data. Suppose customer name, city name, mobile number, date, etc. See, in our software testing, we handle different types of data. So you need to familiar with the data types. See, important computer data types are character data type, integer data type, double data type. Double means floating point values, decimal values. Next, string type. Next, Boolean data type. Boolean means logical values, true or false like. Next, come to variables. See, variables are used to store the data, temporary data. Variables for storing data. Next, operators. Operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. Operators are used to conduct mathematical comparison and logical operations. Next, flow control. Under flow control, conditional statements. Conditional statements. See, in our test automation, we use conditional statements to insert verification points and for error handling. Next, loop statements. Loop statements for repetitive execution. In our test automation for parameterization, we use loop statements. Next, built-in functions. See, in structured programming like C, built-in functions. In object-oriented programming like Java, built-in methods. Both are same in purpose. Next, user-defined functions. User-defined functions. In object-oriented programming, user-defined methods. Next, input and output operations. Input and output operations. Input and output operations. Just a minute. Next, file handling. Next, working with databases. File handling, working with databases. Next, regular expressions. Regular expression is a formula for matching patterns. Next, exception handling. Next, if it is object-oriented programming, OOPS concepts. OOPS, object-oriented programming system. OOPS concepts. See, 4 fundamentals of OOPS. Abstraction. Next, polymorphism. Next, inheritance. And encapsulation. See, sequence: first inheritance, next polymorphism, next abstraction, next encapsulation. In C language, no OOPS concept. C is structured programming language. In C++, Java, you can find OOPS concepts. See, these are the important programming concepts that require for automation. Programming knowledge. See, once again, you take any programming knowledge or scripting knowledge, scripting language, you take any programming language or scripting language, purpose is same. Almost all features common. Some features may vary from one language to another. Syntax may vary from one language to another. See, these concepts are common. Comments, data types, variables, operators, conditional statements, loop statements, methods or functions, input and output operations, file handling, working with databases, regular expressions, exception handling, etc. Next, come to 6th one, test tools knowledge. Test tools knowledge. Say, test automation or automated testing. We have some types of test automation. types of test automation. Important one, functional test automation, functional test automation, using Selenium or UFT, formerly QTP, or RFT, etc. Next, performance test automation. Performance test automation, using load runner, HP load runner. Next, or anyone, HP load runner or open source JMeter or RPT, Rational Performance Tester, RPT, Rational Performance Tester, etc. See, these two types are important: functional test automation, performance test automation. Familiar with either Selenium or UFT or both. Next, performance testing using load runner. See, first, functional test automation, functional test automation using Selenium. Functional test automation using Selenium. See, just a minute. Familiar with Selenium suite of tools, Selenium IDE, next Selenium WebDriver, powerful tool in this suite, WebDriver, next, and Selenium Grid. Selenium RC nowadays outdated. Successor of Selenium RC is Selenium WebDriver. Familiar with Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid, fundamentals. Next, Selenium supports Java, C Sharp, Perl, Python, Ruby, and PHP languages for programming. Most of the Selenium testers, nearly 77%, using Java. So you try to use Java and familiar with Java programming. Here, core Java is enough for test automation using Selenium. Core Java is enough. Advanced Java not required. Next, create test cases. Create test cases. Next, enhance test cases. Enhance test cases. Next, run test cases. Run test cases. Here some flavors: batch testing, data driven testing, testing. Next, parallel test execution, Next, Cross browser testing also. Cross browser testing. Next, analyze test result. Analyze test result. Next, reporting and tracking defects. Next, regression testing. Regression testing. Next, last one, maintenance of automation resources. Maintenance of automation resources. This is example. Functional test automation using Selenium. Next, last one, domain knowledge. Domain knowledge. Domain knowledge. See, general meaning, domain means an area. In our software testing, domain means project business area. See, domain, general meaning, an area. Our test automation point of view, domain means our project business area. Suppose banking, insurance, ERP, telecom, healthcare, e-commerce, retail market, etc. Suppose if you want to test banking application, you need to familiar with banking operations. What is account? What is fixed deposit? What is loan? What is money transfer? What is bill payment, etc. Suppose if you want to test insurance applications, you need to familiar with insurance operations. What is policy? What is premium? What is life insurance? What is educational insurance? What is vehicle insurance, like terms? See, domain knowledge. Domain means project business area. See, important domains in the IT industry are, first one, BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance. Banking, financial services and insurance. BFSI. Next, ERP, enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning. Next, telecom. Next, healthcare. Next, e-commerce, example online shopping. Next, retail market, etc. See, these are the skills required for software testing. If you want to choose software testing as a career, you need to familiar with these 7 skills. What are they? One is analytical and communication skills, next computer fundamentals, next manual testing knowledge, next database knowledge, next programming knowledge, next test tools knowledge, last one domain knowledge. Thank you.